Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video tour. Today we're taking a look at this brand new 2024 No Boundaries RV Suite. This is the RVS2 model. This model just recently introduced by No Boundaries here. We're going to take a few minutes to walk you through the inside and outside of the RV, kind of show you what this one's all about. A couple weeks ago we had done a video on the RVS1. So you might have already seen that one. And then here shortly, we'll be doing another video on the new RVS3 coming out soon as well. We'll be right back on the inside. Hey Power Pro.
How can I help you?
I'm home.
Welcome back.
All right, we are now up inside the brand new 2024 No Boundaries RVS2 model here. Now, as you've seen on the floor plan that was up, this is a rear bedroom with a porch, front bathroom setup here. Now, we are going to start back here in the back, and we'll kind of work our way forward for you. So back here, you have sliding glass door, bringing you right out to this pretty cool little porch area. Now this one comes with two little fold-up tables, and I got one of them out just to kind of show you what it looks like. Now you'll see this area a little better when we actually go outside to do an outside portion of the tour. Little gate right here that opens and closes. But this section right here, this is what makes it different than the RVS1 model. So the RVS1 had the Murphy bed that came down, and then when it flipped up, you could set up like a whole little table area right there. Here you have a slide out traditional RV bed setup. There's storage underneath it here as well. Little end table on each side, USB charger ports, all three of those windows open. And then you have a little bit of hanging closets, or whatever you want to use it for, shelf space, robe hooks, whatever. You have one of the ACs here with heat pump setup. Look at that huge window right there overlooking your awning or door side area. Got a little desk area here, some drawer space, 31-inch electric fireplace there. And then you have the 32-inch connects smart TV there as well on a little swing arm so you can maneuver that around. Sliding door for privacy back here. All vinyl floor. But this section is what differs between the two models. Let's go forward here into the kitchen living room area. So you have another huge window overlooking the back side of the RV area here. Upper shelf space here. A little light strip in there as well. You have that large high-rise spring sprayer faucet. Undermount sink, matching cover. These are really nice solid surface countertops. Bluetooth portable speaker. You have some drawer and cabinet space down below. There's even a central vac with a dustpan vac built in there. You have a 2-burner induction stovetop up here. And then a really nice convection microwave as well. Electric box with the breakers and fuses down there. Pretty cool looking refrigerator, kind of old school looking there. And you got large turbo exhaust fan. Another 32-inch smart TV. There is another fireplace as well. Going forward here, we have the big bathroom area up here. Dual vanity setup, 6 drawers, lots of storage down below. Heavy duty porcelain foot flush toilet there. There's an electric heater in here as well. Turbo exhaust fan up there. Skylight up above. Nice little step-in shower. Fancy little shower head set up there. Nice mirror setup on that door as well. And here you can see the little cadet heater. Some storage in there for your towels and linens. Now in this big closet, you're going to have adjustable or removable shelves, a light up clothes hanging bar up there, and this also had the combo washer dryer in it as well. Pretty cool setup here. Now your sofa here, this section right here can actually raise up, kind of giving it an arch for seating. This area over here kind of collapses down and slides in, so it's just a straight sofa if you need that out of your way. But you can bring that out for a little more seating or a little more comfortable seating depending on what you're trying to do here. That second air up there, beautiful setup though. Pretty cool concept. All right, we're gonna head outside. I wanna show you around the outside real quick. We'll be right back on the outside. All right, we are back on the outside of the brand new 2024 No Boundaries RVS2 by Forestriver RV here. We're gonna start here on the door side and we'll kind of work our way around for you. So first things up, we have kind of a tan colored fiberglass exterior with a mixture of a lower green and some black metal skirting down below. You have a large power awning, LED light strip built in close to the body of the RV. You have a center cradle support up there, adjustable arms for tilting, and manual override in the front arm head in case of electronic failure. Hopefully it never happens, but you got it if you need it. You have the nicer More Ride entry door grab handle here. This kind of slides back against the wall when you're traveling. It has a traditional hover style step rated for 300 pounds. It does have a little light down there as well. You seen when we were inside, a nice big tinted safety glass sliding entry exit door here. Now it does have a traditional porch light up there. It's currently in clear mode, but you can flip the switch the other way and it'll go into amber mode. They are doing the square look frameless window here on the side. You have steel wheels, drum brakes, easy lube hubs, currently riding on kind of an off-road knobbier tire by Westlake. Another new thing that I noticed on this model is they came out with a little travel lock latch here for your sliding glass door. It's kind of cool. The freshwater tank fill up is right here. Just down below you have the freshwater tank drain. There is the dump hose holder, and then you have your spare tire mounted underneath. It's a pretty cool looking setup. Now here you can see the porch from down here on the ground to get a little better look at it. You have, again, another hover style step right here, flipping underneath the RV if you're traveling with it. If you are going to, park this thing permanently somewhere, you may not even use those. You might build a deck around this thing or something. But you do have 300-pound rating on these steps. There's also a set of jacks on the back and a set of jacks on the front. And then you got another little light here. You have this entry here. Swings in, and it has magnetic catches on it. Couple little porch lights up there, and then you've seen the little table and stuff when we were up there as well. There is a little hitch receiver back here on the back. This is not meant to like tow a boat or anything behind it. It's really just meant for like a little bike rack, or the grill that you've seen underneath the bed will slide in here, and then you can set up your grill with your cutting board and stuff out here and do some cooking out. Now popping up here real quick, you can see a picture of the roof here. Now up here you can see things like your dual air conditioners. You got the TV antenna, some plumbing stack vents, some different things up here on the roof. You have to get up here from time to time and maintain your seams and your seals. Make sure everything stays nice and watertight. That is very important on any RV. Back down here to the ground, we have the slide room system right here. This is the Schwentech or Lippert in-wall slide that they are currently using on this model. And basically it's 12-volt powered system. Push a button, it goes in and out. We'll show you what it looks like closed up here shortly. And then looking up top there, you can see it does have a slide-out awning cover over top of that room. Now that basically helps repel a lot of water, leaves, twigs, debris. It shades the top of the room, just trying to help protect it. Underneath of here, you are going to have some storage area here. You have a little hose there for your cold water spray port, some torque wrench handle stuff there. You have the central vacuum hoses and stuff laying in there as well. Now, just a little off topic, check this thing out real quick. We're going to get back to the camper here. Look how cool that is. What a beautiful car. Right back over here, we have the city water inlet, cold water spray port. You have your detachable 50 amp electric power cord. Cable inlet right there. Down below, you have your gray galley, black tank, dump. Everything's coming out right here. There is also hot and cold low point water drains. The gate valves for that stuff are up inside the enclosed underbelly to help it in colder weather. Again, nice big square looking windows there. Up top there, you are prepped for the Lippert portable stow and go ladder. That is a nice thing to consider. Basically telescopes up and down, hooking on up there, allowing you to climb up and down, on and off your roof. Down here you have the black tank flush. Then you have a side plug-in port for a portable solar panel. There's also prepping on the roof as well if you want to do that. Now right here you have your electric water heater. Here we're going to have some informational stickers. So this first one is our dry weight sticker, telling us the RV was 7,731 pounds when it rolled off the assembly line. Has an exterior length of 32 feet 6 inches. Tire size, we have ST 235 75R15 D-range tires with a 65 PSI cold. Make sure you keep up with your tire pressure if you're traveling with an RV. Over here, we're going to have VIN number again. We have our production date. This unit was built 2/21 of 24. Again, model number RVS2. Gross weight is 9,615 pounds. That's the most you can load it up to. Axle weight, hitch weight, everything combined, do not exceed that number. Stepping back here, you can see this is definitely not an aerodynamic front end. So it is a flat wall front. You do have the window in there from the bathroom. You've seen that when we were inside as well. Again, this is more of a kind of take it and leave it kind of trailer is what it's really geared towards, but it is small enough and light enough that a lot of people can pull this, and I'm pretty sure you'll find quite a few people ending up pulling these overall. But they really kind of designed it, making it look a little more like a tiny home or a park model style RV. So down here we have a power tongue jack, LED light built in there, manual override in case of electronic failure. You have 2 5/16 hitch ball, heavy duty safety chains. There's a 7-way Bargman wiring plug. You have a nice big heavy box here that you can stash some goodies in. It is also set up to where you would normally put your battery in here as well, and whatever else you might want to cram in there that'll fit. Now, if you watched my RVS1 video, you will have also seen where I talked about this. This is a really nice heavy-duty shipping cover. It's got a little foam kind of backer into it and feels like a really nice kind of pleathery material here. And these little ratchet strap brackets and stuff. I'll show you again what this looks like when it's back on, because I got to put it back on here at the end. But that is a nice protective cover that covers the front of this RV in transit. That cover is only meant to go from the factory to the dealer. It is not a warranted cover. However, it should come with the RV when you purchase it, as it is provided to the dealer, unless the dealer is just going to be cheap and try to keep a hold of it. But again, it is not warranted. So if you use it 4 or 5 times and it starts to get damaged or whatever, tough luck. They're not paying to fix it. It was just a shipping cover to the dealership. All right, now I want to head back inside. I want to show you what this thing looks like closed up. We'll be right back on the inside. Hey, Power Pro.
What can I do for you?
I'm home.
Welcome back.
All right, we are now back up inside the new 2024 No Boundaries RVS2 here, and I just wanted to show you what it looks like closed up. So I went ahead and put away the L-shaped sofa section so you could kind of get a better idea of that. Also put up the little arch section and the little back arch section out to kind of show you that. Pretty cool. Now when you want to put that back down, you basically just have to pull on that strap there to drop it back to level mode. But back to what we came here for, the slide out closed. So when it's closed up, you can see it comes in very, very tight. It's basically touching the desk and fireplace right there. So it's right up against it. So if I really needed to, I could come back here, lay down, take a nap or whatever, and still use the back section here, but it's not going to be very comfortable climbing over to get out the back door or anything like that. But still, the whole RV, except for those dresser drawers and fireplace there, is still practically usable. And when you are ready to go back out, it is done by your Power Pro setup right here. You just hit your button, select your slide. You have extend and retract right here to basically make it go where you want it to go. So pretty quick and easy. Now, as always, guys, please remember to like, share, and subscribe if you don't mind helping out my channel. Much appreciated. As always, check out the folks at Couch's RV Nation. They're one of the largest internet discount dealers in the country. Will definitely save you a lot of money on a new RV if you're interested in saving some money. But again, this is just 12-volt powered. Just takes a few seconds to run this thing in and out. And then you are right back into full action mode here of everything doing what it's supposed to do. All right, guys, thanks a ton for taking the time to watch my RV videos. Greatly appreciated. Hey, Power Pro.
What can I do for you?
Goodbye.
I look forward to your return.